Question number 3. The two supplementary angles are in the ratio. We have to find all the angles, that is the two supplementary angles. Now as we have discussed earlier, the ratio does not represent the actual measurement. So we will assume let the two angles be, we are going to take them by assuming some value 5x and 4x, because 5:4 is just representing the ratio in which they are. The actual value may differ from it. So we have taken them as 5x and 4x. Now as we have been told that they are supplementary, so we will write 5x plus 4x giving us 180 degrees. Now because they are adding up to 180 degrees, we can solve them further. This forms the equation that we have to solve. So 5 plus 4 becomes 9x equal to 180 degrees, and we get x equal to 180 over 9 giving us 20 degrees. So we have got the value of x. Now is the turn to calculate the angles. The first angle, as we had assumed earlier, was 5x. Now that is going to have the value of 5 into 20, that is 100 degrees, and the second angle on the other hand is going to have the value of 4x, that is 4 into 20 giving you 180 degrees. Now you can even cross check your answer on your own, that is you can add up these two angles and check whether they give you 180 degrees or not. 100 plus 80 add up to 180, that means these two angles are supplementary. That means we have found the answer correct.